This is the Pagani Huayra R from Tarmacworks. The color is called Nero Oro. I particularly like the packaging style of the Tarmacworks models. In addition, as always, the model is fully licensed and authorized by Pagani. Let's unpack the model and see how well Tarmacworks has worked. And even at first glance, one has to say, an absolute masterpiece. The pearl effect paintwork is extremely easy to recognize, especially in bright light. The attention to detail is outstanding, and the model also looks very high quality in the hand. Let's take a closer look at the model. The tricolor flag on the side is a nice detail. At the front, the model impresses with true-to-original mirrors. The golden lines together with the black paintwork harmonize wonderfully. As a counterpart, we have this model here. This model is also fully licensed. As you can see, Hot Wheels has released the model as a Redline Club vehicle. Let's see how well Hot Wheels has done with this model. As always, the RLC models with acrylic case are covered with a protective cardboard box. There is information written about the vehicle itself. If we take away the acrylic glass, we can already see a little better that this paintwork is chrome rather than the black color of the Tarmacworks. And now comes the ultimate. The engine cover can be removed. To be honest, I have rarely seen such a detailed engine compartment, especially by Hot Wheels standards. The chrome finish looks great, but is also particularly tricky because of fingerprints or scratches. Let's take a detailed look at what characterizes this model. A cool detail are the painted rear parts and the colors like the Italian flag. The Hot Wheels also cuts a very fine figure at the front. And of course the engine compartment, which stands out very well from the rest in terms of color. If you look a little closer, even the engine block has the Pagani logo. Side by side, it becomes clear. Tarmacworks has done everything right for the price. However, the Hot Wheels model goes one step further and offers significantly more, but on the other hand, also for a higher price. $35 when it was new, around $69 now. What do you think? Which model is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. See you next time. Cheers!